In this chapter, we'll model an electrical cabinet family similar to the one I'm showing you here. We'll use many of the same tools introduced in the axial fan modeling episode, but in a more advanced way. The modeling will follow specific, available dimensions, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Along the way, I'll also share useful tips to help you work more efficiently. In the first episode, we'll cover 3 main topics: how to initialize a family, an overview of the family template and its classifications, and the commonly used templates in Revit. Start by opening Autodesk Revit and creating a new family. A window will appear displaying a variety of templates available in Revit. Navigate to the English folder, which contains many metric family templates. These templates typically have the file extension RFT. Within the annotation folder, you'll find templates designed for 2D components. In the title blocks folder, you'll see templates specifically for creating title block families. Back in the main directory, pay attention to several important templates such as metric generic model face-based, floor-based, roof-based, and wall-based. Also note templates like metric mechanical equipment and metric plumbing fixture. These are among the most commonly used templates in this course. To create a new family, simply select the template you need, build your family, and save it for future use.